Double ESH.
double ESH. Isha, your ID?
01
01
01
01
05
05
211 7.
7. The topic?
My topic is IIT is the only destination for graduate students.
For or against?
I'm going to say against the topic. Before I talk about against the topic of my topic, I want to say something that's related to the topic. IIT, the full form of IIT is Indian Institute of Technology, and it is an entrance exam which is conducted by JEE, Joint Entrance Examination. So many people and many parents and many people think in this present world or situation that IIT is the best for graduate students as they have more education limits and they get easily settled faster. But students of our generations are more interested in many areas like arts and MBBS education, medicine, and many other areas. And it is not only that IIT gives you a lot of money, but many other are having a high salary amount. So I just don't want to stress the people on IIT. But if there are more IITians in the present situation, then the doctors which are curing for the people are going to become less. It is even a report that doctors in this India are reducing due to the increased level of IITians in India. So doctor and health is the most important aspects of our life. Without health, we cannot achieve anything like IIT or any other education. So at least to know the minimum knowledge of biology, we have to not totally concentrate on IIT. Nowadays, we see the schools are many established for IIT. They are teaching an IIT coaching from 6th class itself. The basics of biology are introduced to students at 6 and 7. But these basics are not introduced to them, saying that it is an IIT institution. So due to the basics, we can say health. Health is the most important thing. I don't say health is also a thing, but there are many areas like arts and arts like dancing, musicians, paintings. Even many other painters in Paris, even fashion designers are more successful in many areas of the world. It's not only IIT that's going to give you success. There are many other areas. So even in newspapers we read daily that many students are attempting suicides because of the academic pressure they're getting on IIT. Actually, there are 10 students that have killed themselves as to suicide attempts from 2010, and 2 are from IIT Madras, which is a well-known IIT institute, and 2 are from Kharagpur. 1 is from Kanpur and Delhi. These 4 are the most known for IIT education. But why do we see these suicide attempts when they say IIT is important? Because there is a lot of pressure of academics, and they don't see, they concentrate more on education. Even if there is a failure, they take it as a lot of stress and distress, and they do the suicide attempts. So I just want to say that